you get this sound.
Oh,
It becomes green.
okay.
Switch off. The best part is here. This is forward right. I just put it
Oh, you have a reverse gear.
reverse.
Nice, nice.
And again, put it back. This parking you don't need to push, pull and all that. हटो भैया पीछे.
So let me also try.
Okay. Hold the clutch. Press this. Bus. Start.
I'm ready to go.
Go. Boom.
Oh yes.
Check the brakes. How it is. Ow.
Hey everyone, we have Venki with us. You have already seen we've got here today. He's going to take us through the scooters and his experience. So we'll be asking him some questions about this amazing product which is called Ather 450X.
Well, I'm the proud owner of Ather 450, and I've been using this 1+ year. It is an amazing experience with zero maintenance, kind of comfort that we get driving or riding a scooter. It's not a typical conventional scooter. It has got a lot more many features than a conventional scooter. A 4GB SIM on it with reverse option, 3 speed option with the economy, ride and a sport option. The braking system is absolutely fabulous. The tire base is quite huge. I can track the vehicle on the movement of the vehicle, where it is going, where it is parked. All the other features typical. I have a GPS on this. I can put my map and I can drive, so I don't need to really look on the phone. 4,700 kilometers, and I had the best experience. The best part about this scooter is that you charge for 2-3 hours with the normal electricity, with probably what 15-20 rupees, and you get a good conventional ride of 70 kilometers, which is awesome. Shut it, go forward.
Got some subsidy from the government
Yeah,
also?
yeah. Since this is a environmental free electric scooter, the government is promoting a subsidy of a couple of thousands from the government, and you see the green board which defines that this is a environmental free road.
And I've also heard that you get a charging point installed by Ather at your home.
Yeah, the first prerequisite for us to buy a scooter is that you need to have a charging point at your home, which they're going to come to your house, they're going to check the place where you want to charge. A very conventional and a very convenient place. Plus, you have a lot of charging points within the Bangalore where you can just go charge it for 2 minutes, depending on the requisition of where you want to go.
Can you show us some of the features that are there?
Sure.
On that?
This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard.
Okay.
And if you look at this, is the key point.
Okay.
This is the charging point.
Okay. You can just shut it also?
Yeah, just this is what the key point. This is the off, and if you just slide it under the seat, the boot opens.
Oh, very
This is
nice.
quite huge with the first aid kit. Just drop it and closes. You don't need to have the key put. Once you switch on, you have an option to switch off the motor. So even if I do something, it will not drive. So I need to switch on the motor. This dashboard consists of the features, like where I have all the characteristics of the scooter. Where I have the general option, which is about the scooter model. I have the settings to change. I have any errors. I have the documents where I can load my documents, like in terms of my license, my other features, whatever documents you want to load, because it's got huge space. Then you can shut down the system as well. So this is all my RC card or my insurance, all that is here.
So the traffic police will
The traffic
honor
police,
this.
they track the picture.
They honor these
Yeah,
electronic
absolutely. It's all
documents.
on it. And this is what the current estimated range of the scooter in terms of how many kilometers it can run. You can see that at the current option of my ride, which is my 30 kilometers, I can toggle between the 3 options. Here is a button which toggles economy. You get a for people who want to drive safe with around 40 kilometers per hour kind of. People who want to do a 60, 70, 80 kilometers is the ride. Somebody wants to go beyond a 90 kind of a typical youngsters can do a sport model. And the best part about this is you can toggle the speed as you're moving. You don't need to stop the vehicle. As you're moving, you need to just toggle the button and it takes to the next speed.
Very important question that I want to ask is about the price. How much did it cost?
1,04,000 rupees with a 34,000 rupees subsidy
Okay.
with a 150cc
Okay.
engine. Whereas other scooters will cost you almost equal, but the maintenance is zero. The scooters you definitely have a lot of maintenance
Yes.
in terms of all other things, and it doesn't stop anywhere because this got a 5-year warranty. Within 5,000 kilometers you need to service.
Service.
Unlike other scooters, you need to charge. Probably you need to service every
1,000.
500, 700,000 kilometers. No, this is flat 5,000 plus. In the last 4,700 kilometers, I've not filled in air to the tire.
Okay.
They do the entire checkup of this electrical circuit.
Okay.
They want to check everything in terms of how it's running.
And it is free. You don't have to pay anything. For 5 years, you are basically
No, I have 3 services free.
Okay.
Every 5,000. So I'm talking about
okay.
3 years.
A service done, and 3 services are free. And any idea about the charges after the third?
I still have not thought about it.
Okay.
Probably, depending on how long I'm going to drive it.
Okay. They have a buyback option also.
They have buyback option where it's going to be dependent on what price you want to get for this scooter. For the next option, which is a longer battery life, because today I'm running at 70 kilometers.
Okay.
Probably that goes around 120 or 130 kilometers.
Brakes are disc in the front. Rear also has a disc brake.
That's the reason it is got that kind of.
And यहाँ पर एक मोनोशॉकर है यहाँ पे.
1 year, 1 month.
तो comfort है. I have driven it. तो comfortable drive है. And the looks are just amazing. You would recommend this scooter to anybody
Absolutely.
who is looking to drive in the city?
Somebody wants to have a comfortable, enjoying, environmental, pollution-free, wants to enjoy their drive. I go for it. Ather 450.
So this was my review about the Ather 450X. I hope you liked the video and the review by Venki. And if you have any questions about the scooter, you can always ask me. I'll definitely try to answer them. And one more important thing is please do remember to subscribe to my channel.
And on this note, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.
Very nice, very nice. Now how to
Switch off.
switch off
Just
this?
left. Bas. You try, it will not go. Because it's switch off. Motor is
Fan?
yeah, there. You just see that. Here. Yeah. Bas. Oh, yeah, come.
Very nice. Feel कि you're riding an electric vehicle because it gives you the same pickup, same experience. I think it is even better than the normal conventional scooters because you get the instant pickup. In normal scooties, there is a lag when you push. So you get that smooth pickup.